The next thing I would like to do is just show you some of the goodies that you're going to be receiving in your box that you can use and implement in your classroom. One thing is I have x-rays for you. We got x-rays that are actual human body x-rays, and it's every piece of the human body. It comes like this. It's every piece of the human body that you can use to show your students. Another thing I have is this human torso model. I kept it in the wrapper because these pieces will fall out. They're pretty secure, but with transportation and everything, I just think it's easier to keep it there. But as you can see, you can take out each part of the human body system as you're talking about it. You can talk about the nervous system here. You can show how each part of the human body system works. So this is a great tool to use in your classroom. One other thing that I have found useful in my classroom are these game boards. You can order more if you would like. I ordered one for several different systems. I have the nervous system, the digestive system, the excretory system, circulatory system, and respiratory system. And these are great for a review in your classroom, especially since you're going to have so many, you can break them into stations. And what comes in this is it has these factual information that you need if you have quizzes or that sort of thing for your students. But you also have a game board. Okay, there's actually two sides of the game board. Okay, and it goes with this is the one for the circulatory system. The nervous system. Sorry. So it all talks. It's got pictures and stuff of the nervous system. But you will also have cards to go with your game boards for the students to go through and play the game. And it's got game pieces as well. There's 4 game pieces and a die they can roll. So these, you may want to go through the questions and make sure that you've covered the information on there. Pull out information that they may not need to know. But these are they're very closely aligned with our standards. So you will have one on each of these systems. And another thing that I have for you to review, for your students to review when you've talked about human body systems is Inside Your Outside. And it's a cat in a hat book about inside your body. And I found that bringing in literature within your classroom, first of all, it's great for the kids to have literature in anything to bring it in your science classroom. But this goes directly with the things you talk about in your classroom. And let's face it, middle school kids, elementary kids, high school kids, adults, we all like to be read to. So they are going to love this book on It's Cat in the Hat, Inside Your Outsides. Another book that I found is Look Inside Your Body. It is a great resource. It looks like a child's book, but it literally has lifts and flaps that you have that tell them different things about their body. Like here's the stomach, and you can open it and see inside the stomach and those kinds of things. And the kids are going to love things like this, even if you just have that in your classroom and they have some downtime, or they finish their work, or they just need something to read or something to do. This is a great resource to have because they're going to love going through, and this is a very sturdy board book, so hopefully it would be more difficult for them to tear up. And the last thing I have is a magnetic human body, and this has literal pieces of magnets that you can stick to your magnetic board to show the different parts of the human body depending on what you're talking about at that time, whether it be the musculoskeletal system or the nervous system or digestive system. There are 17 pieces included in this magnetic human body. So that would definitely be something that you can implement in your classroom. Thanks for watching.